How to build a DIY chicken waterer yourself for cheap. Our friends at Farm Girl in Progress, Nadine, has just put out a video. You'll see the link at the end of this one. It was a fantastic reminder as we both have new baby birds on the property and the water is getting messy. All right, so let's get to it. Today we're going to assemble this. It should take a few minutes. It's a quick solution to keep the water cleaner. So this came from Tractor Supply. It was only a couple dollars. You get 2 of them in a package. This came from the old dollar store for $1.25. Dollar store, huh? $1.25.
Not the dollar store anymore, are you?
This is the brand by Harris Farms. It's a poultry watering cup. It's also BPA-free plastic. Create your own watering system using a plastic container. I have one of those. 1 cup accommodates 12 chickens. To install, drill a 3/8 hole into your desired watering source and screw in poultry watering cup. To ensure water tightness, threaded seal tape may be used. It looks like it's spring loaded. They just tap on that. It's probably a seal inside there. This is a side mount. That's a bottom mounting from underneath if you're hanging the bucket or something up high. A twist. It's not coming out, so it's probably a pressure fitting. Probably wiggle that out then. They're sealed in by a gasket, and there's a white rubber ring, so when they hit that, it breaks the seal. See that? Seal comes off, water leaks through, drips down that into the cup. So that's obviously going to be on the ground, and they're going to kick shavings into it. Put it up here, it'll be a few inches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Made a perfect hole, and that's what you need for sealing. That's what the gasket's going to fit on. Just keeping an eye on that seal, which is right about there. You do not want to over tighten these. It's a soft plastic and a hard plastic. But there you go, chicken waterer. Thanks for watching the Wickershire Project Off-Grid, all things DIY, and we'll catch you on the next one. They come apart. Am I not strong enough?